If you have a Mercedes, and it's that typical to GLs, AMLs, E-classes, C-classes, the car won't start. Right after accident, I'll show you, 2 airbags are deployed. Okay, you can see it there. So mainly when it's the front airbags deployed, or more than 2 airbag deploys, this will occur. When you're trying to start the car, ignition goes on, but the car won't crank, won't do nothing. And the problem is 95% of the time is gonna be right here in this junction box with the fuse. And I'm gonna take this out of the car. I'm gonna open up and show you what I'm gonna be replacing to get this car running. This is the positive cable junction box. Took it apart, and there's a fuse that needs to be replaced. It hooked up with the SRS kind of harness, and I'm gonna open this thing up to show you what's going on. But if your car don't start, test your junction box. It's located right next to the battery, and I'll show you on the vehicle. And that's what needs to be replaced. It's a hassle to take this top. First you have to take this cover up. Goes like this. So once you take it apart, you'll see it like this, and then you have clips on the side, so you have to make your ways around it to remove this. Okay, and once you remove this, you have to have a 13 mil. I have it right here to remove 2 of this bolts to get the fuse out, and we're gonna replace with another fuse right here. All right, so I took apart the fuse to show you what's happening here. There's a charge from the top that breaks the fuse. So on the good one, you'll have a metal connection will go from this side all the way to that side. So what happened with the airbag deploys, obviously there's signal sent to that fuse right here, and that will also deploy with a small charge of explosive, and will break your fuse by pushing that metal rod down. Okay, so with this explosion, that piece just goes down and breaks the connection to your positive lead. And now I'm gonna close this all up and go install in the vehicle and see if my car will start. Okay, and then you see a wagon, car is running. This is where it was located, and if you put this up, here is your fuse. That's it. Job done.